Happy Veterans Day, America. To all the veterans that served the United States. Thank you for your service. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tag Team Recoveries. In this episode, I am going to show you an awesome relic that a friend of mine dug earlier this year. A guy that hunts with me regularly, his name's Buddy, and you may have seen the video earlier. It was a Springfield rifle that he uncovered, but we have that thing cleaned up. He's got it ready for display. We're going to do a little flashback of the hunt, let you guys relive it a little bit, and then I'm going to show you some pictures and everything of the rifle after it was cleaned. So we got some new hunts coming up here soon. We're going to be hitting the field. Wintertime now, time to dig, some new videos coming out, and we're looking forward to bringing you some great episodes soon. Alrighty, well, sit back, watch this footage, and then check out the pictures at the end of this rifle clean. Epic, epic find. Alrighty guys, thank you so much. What you got going on, buddy?
Just a few things we found so far. A piece of brass and some pottery. Melted stuff. They've been in a fire.
He has gotten into a trash pit here, and what it looks like he's got here is a rifle barrel. And it looks like it's going to be a big one right there, and you can see the tang of it right on the back, and this is where the breech plug is right there, and this is going to be an early one. Alrighty, buddy. So what we're going to do is I'm going to sit here, I'm going to help him excavate this thing, and then we're going to get right back with you. We're going to expose a little bit more of it, and then we'll get right back with you.
Looks like the barrel underneath him.
All right, guys. So Buddy has cut back a little bit more here, and he's got more left in the barrel right there. Yep, there it is right there. You can see the length of it there. So we got this end of it here, and then he's got the other end of it right there.
Something laying on top of that end of the barrel.
Okay.
But the barrel's right here.
Barrel's right there. This is too cool. Yeah, don't get to see this happen too often. I've been fortunate to dig a couple myself, and but to see my buddy here excavate one is just like, this is just totally awesome.
That was sitting on top of the barrel right there.
Yep. There it is. More early crocker here. Yep, there she is, guys. Look at that, man. It's probably at least a 40-inch barrel. Oh, there it is. It's gonna come out right now, buddy. I'm gonna let you lift it right on out. Yeah.
This little spot right here. Yeah, it looks bent right there.
Yeah.
Yep. Ready?
Real easy.
Oh, it's still together.
It's still there?
It's bent right there.
It's bent? Okay.
Broke right there.
That's all right. You got the whole thing though. There it is. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Dude. Hey, man. Hey. That is just awesome, man. Oh my goodness, man. Look at that, guys. Woo. That is too cool, bro. Man. Hey. Well done, well done. All right, guys. Well, that is it. I hope y'all enjoy watching that. That was a lot of fun seeing that thing recovered like that. And man right here, man, good job, bud. Boom. This man here helping digging it out. So anyhow, we will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for coming in and watching. Alrighty. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that. That was a fantastic find, man. Just so incredible. I'm so happy for him. And so like I said earlier, stay tuned. We got some new hunts coming up, getting ready to explore some new places and bring you some fantastic videos. And again, thank you everyone for stopping by and watching. And always remember, thank a veteran. USA, USA. See y'all soon.